Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to Arizona to visit my mom. And mom, if you're watching this is proof that I love you because it's really early and I'm never taking an early flight like this again. One thing about taking a 5 a.m. flight, don't. Nobody's here. Nothing's open. Security's not open. So I don't even know. Like, I don't see any employees. Guess I'm just hanging out. So security opens at 2:30, or I'm sorry, 3:30. It's 2:30. I haven't had coffee. Please let there be a 24-hour Starbucks in this airport.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Place all of your carrying items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you.
Phoenix! Yay! My stepdad's picking me up. Excited. It is cold. It's Phoenix. It's cold. So I'm at my mom's and I was thinking we can do maybe a little plant tour of her plants. She's got some pretty cool ones in the backyard. Let's get to it. This is her elephant bush. This is where I stole my clipping from. It's doing really well too. Look at that little guy. Another elephant bush? I don't know, but this has gotten bigger, right, Mom? It's like really? It's like hanging over the sides a lot. Yeah. This looks like a jade of some kind. I think it might be a jade.
As long as I know there's new growth. See it?
Oh yeah.
It's all new growth. And
yeah.
Here, look at here. See that? New growth.
Oh yeah, that's a new one. So you just trim off this brown stuff and then...
Well, and you got to cut a lot of the bottoms off because you're supposed to show the trunk.
Right.
See, like Ted said, look at, you can't even tell. It's just, we got to cut all the bottoms off.
Yeah. Look at this guy. He is fierce. Ooh, there's a leaf in here, Ma. Gotta take it out. You know...
Don't, that's sharp.
Ouch!
Yes, no, you can't.
You gotta take out the leaf, though. Ouch!
Tippy.
This is
look
Tippy.
Look at my bunny.
Meet Tippy, guys. He's part of the family. This is the yard.
Already a bee.
It is too cold to go swimming, but I'm gonna have a good time laying on these later tonight, looking up at the stars. The cute little cactus. So we found this out when my sister-in-law was in town before, but some of these, they super glue them on top there. Isn't that, like, I don't like that. That's like a no-no. But anyway, we're gonna repot this. And I left my cactus gloves at home. Look at this Haworthia. So pretty. There's another one. They moved out here.
It's gonna be 10 months.
It's gonna be 10 months on the 14th.
Can't be there.
Another elephant bush. This one's kind of
Shabby.
shabby.
These got so big.
Look at these.
They were so tiny.
See, that's why I get jealous, because we have some at home, but echeverias, they're not growing very well. But look at, that's all new growth in there. Yeah, these were smaller. So pretty. This is the rosemary bush. I don't know if you guys remember, but I took some clippings of her rosemary bush, and it was doing great. It rooted in water, and then I went to go transfer it into soil, and it died. It is so fresh. I think it's time to repot this guy. Was it like that when you bought it? Was it hanging over the edge like that?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, there they are. There they are. These doggies. Deej. What are you doing, Deej? You got a kissable snoot. My.
Okay,
Come here, my.
I gotta go with my baby.
Okay, then. This little baby. Oh, there's another one coming up, Mom.
Honey, there's 3 of them.
Oh, watch your
See?
fingers.
I know. The leaves got all over them.
Look at how cute.
Weeds and leaves and...
So the little guy that I have in my window, someone corrected me. It's not a Mexican fence post cactus. I can't remember the name now. Anyway, I took one of the babies from here, so that's where it came from. And like size comparison. It's huge. I also have one of these, which mine are doing really good, Mom.
Good,
this is agave, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at the new growth, you know?
Yeah, look at that. I think this is agave.
Agave, yeah.
I love cactus, yes I do. Look at that little baby dear. All right, so now that we did a little houseplant tour of my mom's house, I am venturing out to the gas station to get some snacks, some headache medicine, because my flight this morning was horrible. Oh my gosh. I wanted to get out and record on the plane. The turbulence was so bad, but I had people next to me, and I just felt like that was weird. Does anybody else feel weird, like holding their camera and talking to their camera with strangers sitting like literally next to you? Look at these cactus. They're so cool. They're so tall. Yikes. How cute is this gas station? It's so cute. It's like a little country farm store. And I'm back. And Starbucks. What are you doing? What are you doing? Aw, you're so cute. All right, guys, that is it for today. I'm exhausted and it's not even 11 a.m. I have some fun stuff planned for this week though. I am gonna try to do some repottings with my mom. We're also gonna visit a local nursery in the area. So we're gonna do a plant shopping haul day, and I hope you guys stay tuned. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're excited about some plants in Arizona, stay tuned for the next couple of videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks so much, guys, from here in warm and toasty Arizona. Bye.